As in the S&P 500?
Yeah, I believe so. SPX, S&P 500.
Okay, let's look at SPX. All right, there we go. Coming up. Okay, so always amusing to get into the world of stocks, right? So right now, I would describe equities as, it's like the S&P has attacked this gigantic gap, right? This was from the initial February, March. Oh my God, right? Now, if this was crypto, this thing almost looks like it could just fall off a cliff, right? I mean, that's just what it looks like. It's sky high. All right. Now, the Fed is probably going to come in and stop it from going down at some point, right? But if I look at the chart and I say, if I actually made the bet that stocks were going to go up and I was right, I mean, this looks like a classic Elliott wave trend complete, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I had money in stocks, I would take the money, right? I mean, where's it all going? I mean, are we going to get jobs for 30 million people overnight?
Not really.
So, I think crypto's got more upside. I don't think SPX looks particularly appealing. Okay. I think the Fed will, of course, it's kind of a zombie market, right? It's like I could chart it. It's almost like it's like a stable coin, right? As soon as supply comes in, the Fed comes in to absorb it. So it doesn't look particularly great. Nobody's made any money fighting stocks. Okay. Personally, I hope they just keep it stable because that allows crypto to keep moving.
Right. Now, I think on some past shows you mentioned, either past shows or maybe in the private group, you mentioned that as long as equities are doing well, crypto will do well. Can you kind of maybe talk about that as well?
Sure. So what can make equities go down? Let's start with that, right? So, we already know the virus is bad, but things like war, I live in Houston. I watched on the news as we told the huge Chinese consulate building to pack their stuff up.
Yeah,
I watched them pack
I heard
up.
about that. Oh, wow.
Okay. This is a monstrous building in downtown Houston, closed. They're burning papers in the parking lot. So there are a lot of 10,000 people on the street today protesting in Russia, not Portland, Russia.
Russia?
Okay?
For what?
Well, I don't know. Somebody got arrested and, sent to the gulag, classic stuff. And then a whole bunch of people got upset about it. So social disturbances, geopolitical disturbances. Okay. These things, no one's taking this stuff seriously, just like no one was taking the virus seriously in January. Mm-hmm. So hopefully these things don't derail stocks. If they do, then it becomes back to this sell everything mentality that we saw in March, which we, as in crypto family, we would not want to get caught up in that. We actually hope crypto benefits from that. But realistically, if stocks went down 30% because of some huge problem, Bitcoin's not going to 11,000 in that environment. It's just not, right? Because crypto is a risky asset. So, stable stocks, it can go up and down, but stable stocks in the world not blowing up helps crypto, right? Is there event risk out there? Yeah, there is. We don't talk a lot about it because, it's not connected to crypto, and we hope it never is.
All right. Thank you, Bill.